Welcome guys to another YouTube channel. This is the weekly pair focus. This is the pair I've been focusing on for this week, guys. Our first pair is AUD USD, which is gold. Second pair is AUD CHF. Another pair is Euro CHF, GBP CHF, GBP AUD, AUD USD, and USD ZAR. So this is the pairs that I will be focusing on for this week. And as you can see, guys, for this week I'll be focusing most on CHF pairs and USD pairs. So our first pair, which is gold, let's see what we're expecting on gold. So on gold, I'm expecting, let's go on a daily, let's see a bigger picture. As you can see, guys, we are in an overall bearish trend. We are in an overall bearish trend, and we have trends inside trends, guys. So if you go on a 4-hour, guys, we can see we are in a, we can say price is at our resistance zone, which is this zone here, and it's touching our resistance trend line. So with this, I'm expecting it maybe to go down to complete this channel. As we can see, it's moving with impulse, it's moving with market structure, guys. We can see it's moving with market structure. We know when price is going up, it's making higher high and higher low. As we can see, guys, we have the higher high and higher low, guys. From here, it's making higher high and higher low. So we might expect it maybe to come here, but if it breaks here, guys, then I will expect it to go up. So let's go on another pair, which is AUD CHF. On AUD CHF, guys, let's go on a daily. We can see we have this double bottom here. We have this double bottom. So I analyzed for this sell, that because we can see I have this impulse. This was an impulse and a correction. So we're expecting a continuation, guys. I'm expecting a continuation of sales. I'm expecting continuation of buying opportunities. So let's go on 1 hour. You can see I was expecting it to, when it was still around here, I was expecting it to go down, because I saw where the impulse and where it was in a correction. So that's why I was expecting it to go down. So as you can see, it has completed the setup. And I took an early entry here, so it went down. So I will expect it for it to offset those entries before I can take the actual entries. But now I can see it's ready for those buying opportunities, guys. It's ready for those buying opportunities, and this is gonna be one of those swing trade, guys. Another pair, Euro CHF. On Euro CHF, guys, let's go on 1 hour. We can see we're in an overall bearish trend. So let me reduce some of this, so guys will be able to understand. Let me reduce. Okay, we're in an overall bearish trend, and the price was in a short-term bullish trend. This was a short-term bullish trend, and it broke out of this bullish trend. Let's go on a 4 hour. It broke out of this bullish trend, giving a double bottom retest at this resistance zone. So I'm expecting it to go to push further down. So from here, guys, it will give me a double bottom. So I will take it to the higher side. I will take the buying opportunity. I'm already in a sell trade for this one, but that sell is a short-term sell, guys. My overall is for it to complete this sell setup and go bullish. GBP CHF. GBP CHF, if you can check on the monthly, it reached the lowest low, guys. It reached the lowest low. It reached the lowest low. So I'm expecting maybe it might push higher, at least to this level. But if it breaks, then it will go further down. But it has reached the lowest low. It has reached the lowest low. So I'm expecting it to push. And if it push further, guys, we're gonna not even swing trade, position trade this one. If you can catch those buying opportunity and it respect those buying opportunity, then you will swing trade this one, guys. Let's go on a daily so that you can see. So on daily time frame, guys, okay, I know my analysis is a bit messy. Okay, on daily you won't see much. Let's go on a 4 hour. Okay, on 4 hour, guys, I took an early entry, but it's one position. I want to see if it will break here to go up, come back and retest and continue going up. But the way I see it, it was more like a impulse correction. Maybe it might come here. Then if it gets here, I will take my confirmed entry to the upside. I will take my confirmed entry. Let's go on 1 hour. So this is how it is, guys. But if you can check on 4 hour, I saw it like this, guys. But I will see if it will break and go to the upside. GBP AUD, I'm also expecting it maybe to go down here, guys, because we can see this was a impulse correction and I'm expecting a continuation. And if you can see on a one hour, guys, if you can check it on 1 hour, it is respecting this resistance here, is respecting this resistance here. We can see it's respect, even if it's still under our moving average. So I will expect it to go further to the downside before we can start looking for those buying opportunities. But if it gets enough strength and break here, then that's when maybe I will expect further buying opportunities. If it retests here, maybe I will expect those buying opportunities from there. Let me say from here going up, I will expect those buying opportunities there. Another pair, AUD USD. On AUD USD, guys, let's go even on a monthly time frame. We can see it gave us a double bottom here, guys. We're at double bottom inside this trend. I don't wanna put too much on this analysis, guys, but we can see we have a double bottom here, guys. We have a double bottom. This is our double bottom, so expecting it to push to the upside. So let's go on a daily. As we can see, guys, on a daily is at daily resistance. So let's see what's gonna happen on a 4 hour. So on 4 hour, guys, I'm expecting it maybe to give me a retest again here. If it will retest, and I will take those entries. But if it doesn't give me that retest, I will expect it to complete this 90% rule here and see from here how it will play out, guys. How will it play out? It's on 1 hour. So yeah, I will expect it if it will break to the downside, or if it will complete this 90% rule before we can start looking for those buying opportunities. USDs are USDs are on a daily. you can see guys, we are in a bullish trend and we have another bullish trend, and if you can check, it gave us a inverse head and shoulder. It gave us a inverse head and shoulder. This is what the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, which is a reversal pattern. And what it did after it gave us that inverse head and shoulder, it broke out of this trend line, supporting trend line, and now I'm expecting it to at least go back to our neckline, because as we can see, we at another support here guys. We're at another support. So if we can go back to our neckline, then we can start looking for those entries guys. We can start looking for those entries, and this one, it might be a good swing trade guys. You can check the overall. If you can get that, and you can swing it until here, until this level guys, to complete the 90% rule of this channel. Another pair I do have guys is Nasdaq. Another pair I do have guys is Nasdaq. On Nasdaq guys, I don't believe Nasdaq is yet ready for buying opportunities. For me guys, I will just show you, because now you can see it completed this 90% rule of this channel here. So the reason I'm saying it's not yet confirmed for buying opportunity, we can see where this head and shoulder here, this was the left shoulder, this was the head, this was the right shoulder. So I'm expecting it at least for it to retest the neckline, and it can push to go down first, can push to go down, and if when it get there, it will give us a daily double bottom. That's when I can start looking for buying opportunities. For me, Nasdaq still gonna sell guys. Expecting it to sell guys. I'm expecting it to sell. When we get this daily double bottom, that's when we can start looking for those further buying opportunities. Maybe Nasdaq, that's when you will get into momentum to go high. So that's all I have for you guys. I will post it on YouTube guys, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video guys, as I will be uploading new content, powerful one guys. Have a profitable week. This is the man, the wise goat.